Having problems shedding pounds? You're not alone. After years of struggling with my weight and using just about every weight loss program and diet plan there is, the excess pounds still wasn't going nowhere. My struggle was not only with the excess weight. I had also developed problems with my knees which kept me from joining the gym. I was also aware of the many illnesses that are associated with obesity such as diabetes etc., but what worried me most of all were my husband and kids. Not being able to lose weight made me cynical and easily annoyed. I would often find myself scolding the kids and even my husband, who probably saw through the yelling that I was just frustrated with all this weight and no way to get rid of it. That is, until I stumbled upon the Flat Belly Fix program. The Flat Belly Fix was a real godsend. It worked for me and it will work for you too. All those who have been struggling to shed extra weight will soon find out how right here. The Flat Belly Fix is a weight loss system that's been designed keeping in mind the inability of many people to stick to a weight loss program. Unlike other programs that are difficult and complicated to follow, the Flat Belly Fix offers users an effective and enjoyable way of losing excess weight without adhering to strict rules or making drastic lifestyle adjustments. Rather than a complicated mix of rules that are common with regular weight loss systems, the Flat Belly Fix provides you with a simple and easy way of losing excess weight without any fuss. What you get is a comprehensive plan of action that you can follow which will help you lose weight and improve your health. What's more, the weight loss program does not require the user to make any drastic changes to their lifestyle or spend long hours in the gym in order to lose weight and get that perfect beach bod. What makes the Flat Belly Fix a truly unique and one-of-a-kind weight loss program is that you get to lose the excess weight without having to exercise at all. This means you get to lose weight effortlessly as you follow the easy steps that have been given in the Flat Belly Fix system. Click the link in the description below for a special discount on the Flat Belly Fix program. Who's it for? Because of its easy-to-use steps and detailed information of the weight loss program, the Flat Belly Fix is the ideal choice for all those who have previously followed weight loss systems to no avail. This weight loss system allows users to start losing weight in no time as long as they follow the steps of the program. What makes this particular program perfect for individuals who are struggling to lose weight is that the weight loss system has been broken down into easily digestible steps that are so easy to follow that they soon become second nature. Who's it not for? While the Flat Belly Fix is a great option for those who want to shed extra pounds without having to follow a strict exercise regimen, that does not mean it's not difficult. Each of the steps that have been given in the Flat Belly Fix system, along with various other information, have a purpose, and need to be followed for optimal results. Since the program lasts for 21 days, it is crucial that the user stick to the plan for the full 21 days to achieve their weight loss goals. The comprehensive program guides you every step of the way and ensures that you stick to the plan right till the end by giving you all the information you need to succeed. But this still isn't some magical formula that doesn't require hard work. Those who are serious on following the Flat Belly Fix program will need to make some changes to their diet and lifestyle for a full 21 days. This is crucial since it will not only help them with their immediate weight loss goals, but will also help them form healthy habits for benefits will last long after the 21-day weight loss program ends. Pros and cons. Pros. Easy to understand regimen-specific gender-based information. Rapid weight loss improves thyroid and metabolism to burn fat quickly. No side effects. Everything available online and easily accessible from anywhere. 100% money back guarantee. Quick action discount, 60% off on discounted price. Additional gifts. Cons. Only available in a digital format, which means you can't download and print out the contents of the weight loss system. Click the link in the description below for a special discount on the Flat Belly Fix program. Things to consider. One of the main reasons the Flat Belly Fix has been such a success is because unlike other weight loss plans that seem to go on for months on end without a clear plan, the Flat Belly Fix is a 21-day weight loss plan that not only targets the lower belly fat, which is where most of the fat cells are stored when you gain weight, but it helps a person stick to a weight loss regimen without losing focus or interest. One of the beauties of using the Flat Belly Fix is that it provides the user with a detailed plan of action that they can follow that will lead to weight loss. But that's not all this diet plan does. The easy-to-understand and detailed information on every aspect of the weight loss plan ensures that the user sticks to the program until the health and fitness tips that have been given in the Flat Belly Fix plan is engraved into their daily routine. This makes the Flat Belly Fix plan the ideal choice for any person who has trouble sticking to a weight loss program in the past or has an injury that limits the amount of physical exercise they are able to do. If you're still on the fence on whether or not you should get yourself the Flat Belly Fix program, then you should ask yourself this question: am I comfortable with the weight that I'm gaining due to my inability to exercise? If your answer to the question above is a yes, then you definitely need to give the Flat Belly Fix a try. About Todd Lamb. When it comes to weight loss programs and systems, most of what you find online have been created by people who do not have any experience in health or fitness. That's not the case with the Flat Belly Fix, since its creator is Todd Lamb, a veteran police officer who has spent 17 years as SWAT team leader and canine dog handler. Lamb also has experience in the military. Todd took this fitness and nutritional portion of his training in the SWAT team and the military, and transformed it into a comprehensive weight loss program that can help anybody achieve their weight loss goals. Todd might not have a certificate as a fitness instructor or dietitian, but the Flat Belly Fix is an amalgamation of his experience in the police, the military, and what he has learned about diet and fitness through the years. Features and benefits: the Flat Belly Fix is a weight loss system that's been designed to help you lose weight without making the body go through rigorous exercise routines or depriving it of food and other vital nutrients that we all need to survive. The comprehensive weight loss program comes with several detailed steps that need to be followed for you to get the results you are looking for. Not only does the weight loss program help a person shed extra pounds by making them following a 21-day routine, the wealth of additional information that is offered by the creator of the Flat Belly Fix goes a long way in guiding you towards your weight loss goals. All of the information that's given in the weight loss program has the specific purpose to give you all the information you need to ensure your 21-day program is a success. There are also step-by-step instructions to help you use and get the most out of the newly acquired knowledge. What makes the Flat Belly Fix a great choice for many people who are struggling with being overweight is that the program is not extreme or unpleasant in any way. In fact, at no time during the weight loss program will you feel like you need to quit or give up because the program is too extreme or not enjoyable. The main selling points of the Flat Belly Fix is that there's no need to follow a strict diet and keep away from the foods you love. Plus, there will be no need to count calories of everything you eat, and there is no need to spend long hours in the gym trying to burn off extra flab. All you have to do to succeed in the Flat Belly Fix system is to work through the process step by step and making easy adjustments to your everyday diet and lifestyle to get the results you want. These simple changes in your everyday life will help you build a routine that will make it easier to not just shed extra weight, but make sure it stays off. What you get with the Flat Belly Fix is a thorough breakdown of the full 21-day weight loss program along with a wealth of knowledge on weight loss tips and tricks. To get an idea of the kind of information you are going to get, here's a breakdown of the contents that's shared in the weight loss program. Rationale: hunger and appetite. The energy system shift. The secret FBFT benefits of turmeric for women. Benefits of turmeric for men. How much per day? The benefits of chai tea. The benefits of green tea. Grass-fed butter. Cinnamon. Leptin sensitivity. What is leptin? Leptin and weight loss. Mastering your leptin levels. Leptin, exercise, carbohydrates and fats. Leptin and interval meals. Insulin sensitive and resistance. What is insulin? How to improve your insulin sensitivity. How to improve your insulin sensitivity through diet. Medium-chain triglycerides. MCTs for reducing fat storage. Coconut milk. MCT oil. Lactobacillus L-reuteri. Gender-specific benefits for women. Gender-specific benefits for men. The protocol. Meal timings and composition. Visual references. Food list. Questions and answers. Bonuses: those who will sign up to get the Flat Belly Fix are also going to be eligible for not one but 3 gifts, courtesy of the creator of this revolutionary weight loss system. The 7 Minutes to a Slim Belly System. In the 7 Minutes to a Slim Belly System, you will get to learn the secret ways in which soldiers and elite forces stay fit and strong, and all it takes is just 7 minutes, 4 to 5 times a week. No, you will not have to do sit-ups or squats. These are shocking new methods that are so easy you'll be wondering why you didn't come up with them first. Flat Belly Fix, done for you. The most annoying part of following some weight loss program is to count calories and read labels of everything you want to eat. This is going to be a special book of a collection of delicious and easy to prepare meal replacement smoothies that will provide your body with the same vitamins and nutrients it needs to stay active, while you lose excess flab. And that's not all, you also get a printable shopping list that was created by the author to help you out the next time you go to the grocery store. These smoothie recipes are just the thing you need if you are short on time or need a quick pick-me-up for the day. All of the recipes have been specially designed to make you enjoy delicious smoothies without worrying about weight gain. Flat Belly Fix Elite Personal Coaching. This third gift is a special one, because it's something that many if not all weight loss programs do not offer, personal one-on-one coaching. While the Flat Belly Fix is an incredibly easy way for you to lose weight, there are always going to be questions that you will want to ask. Those who enroll for the Flat Belly Fix system will get exclusive access to the secret closed Facebook group of the creator of the weight loss system, where you can ask all the questions you want until you are satisfied with your answers. This gift not only adds accountability to this weight loss system, but ensures that you will have the motivation you need to stick with the program till the end. My results, as I said earlier, the Flat Belly Fix program was a godsend. Not only was I able to lose weight, but I didn't have to wait for months or years for its effects to kick in. Nor was I required to start an energy-draining exercise program, or do any exercise for that matter. The Flat Belly Fix program is truly remarkable, and I started to see results in a matter of days. Unlike traditional diet and weight loss programs, my experience with the Flat Belly Fix program has been amazing. No complex workout routines, and no depriving myself of the foods I loved. The Flat Belly Fix program has two main principles: hunger and appetite, and the energy shift system. By following the simple instructions of the Flat Belly Fix program, I was able to lose up to 20 pounds in a matter of days. By following the instructions and reading the information in the hunger and appetite section, I found that the toughest obstacle was in my head. Once I started to follow the Flat Belly Fix program, I started to understand more about how the nervous and endocrine system in our bodies work. This helps me gain valuable insights that would help me shed those extra pounds without having to lift a finger. And as if that wasn't enough, the Flat Belly Fix program contains a whole section of healthy and delicious recipes that you can use in your everyday diet. Click the link in the description below for a special discount on the Flat Belly Fix program.